Today I'm going to show you how to crochet one of my favorite stitch combinations. This is a very nice open worked stitch. As you can see, there's space between the stitches, which gives it that kind of a lacy look to it. This is a completely reversible stitch as well. It looks the same on the front and on the back side. It's great for spring garments or blankets or anything that you want to have lightweight. Not only is there the openness within the stitches, but the stitch is not very thick, so it creates a thinner feeling fabric as well. So this combination, again, is just a very easy to remember repeat of 2 stitches. It is an extended single crochet and a chain 1. And to show you the difference, a regular extended single crochet, I have a swatch of it right here, it's not quite as open. It's a little more closed. It still is very nice, lightweight, thin fabric to it, but it's a little bit more full of a stitch in comparison to the extended single crochet plus a chain 1. So just depending on the project that you're wanting and the look that you want, you can intermix just a solid extended single crochet or input the chain 1 for this pretty texture right here, which I will show you now how to work this. Okay, to begin this stitch, you're going to need a foundation to work off of. This can be a foundation of anything. I actually have a row of 20 foundation half double crochets here. If you're not sure how to make this, I have a tutorial for it and it's all linked in the description below. It can be a row of single crochets, half double crochets, double crochets. It can even be a beginning chain to work off of. Just for tutorial sakes, I like to have an actual row of stitches just to kind of hold the stitches in place just slightly better. So to begin the row, you're going to start with a chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and turn your work. Now this is going to start as a beginning stitch and a chain 1. So although we began with a row of 20, you're only going to skip 1 stitch even though this is being counted. I've just found that this leaves for a cleaner look than skipping 2 stitches. So skip 1 stitch and then work an extended single crochet in the next stitch. I do have a full tutorial on how to work the extended single crochet, but I will review that in the video or today as well. So you're just going to insert your hook. So again, you're going to skip this first stitch and go into the next stitch. So you're going to insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop on your hook, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops on your hook and chain 1. If you look closely, you can see that there is a little space right in here where we skipped that stitch. So after our extended single crochet, we chained 1. We're going to skip 1 stitch and work into the next stitch and work an extended single crochet. And then you're going to chain 1, skip the next stitch, and go and work an extended single crochet in the next stitch, and just repeat this across with a chain 1, skip 1, and an extended single crochet. So chain 1, skip 1, and extended single crochet. Again, that's insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook, chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop on your hook, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops on your hook. Again, if you're unfamiliar with the extended single crochet, check the links in the description, and I do have a tutorial to just the extended single crochet linked down there. So you're going to repeat this all the way across the row. Chain 1, skip 1, extended single crochet, all the way to your last stitch. Okay, so your first row is completed of the extended single crochet, and you can see that there's the openness within the stitches. To begin the next row, chain 3 and turn your work. Now on your second row, you're going to skip that beginning stitch and the chain space. and you're going to work in top of the next stitch, and you're going to go right into the repeat. So insert your hook, complete your extended single crochet, you're going to chain 1, and then skip the chain space and go into the next stitch and work an extended single crochet. So chain 1, skip your chain space, work an extended single crochet in top of the extended single crochet from the row below. And again, just repeat this across the row. For your last stitch in the row, you're going to make sure you chain 1. You're going to skip the first chain and you're going to work an extended single crochet in that second chain of the turning chain of the last row to complete the row. Chain 3, turn your work, and your second row has been completed. And just continue to repeat that, building on top of one another until you've created this beautiful fabric that we've got right here. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will link a couple of patterns that were made using this specific stitch combination in the description below.